Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick update video and let you all know that just last night I accepted a full-time position with a company called Felt Maps, and I'm essentially going to be working as their social media manager, primarily building up their YouTube channel. So we're going to be producing a bunch of cool map related content around their browser based mapping tool, which is very, very cool. And I wanted to let you know that you don't need to worry. I'm still going to be producing content on my own channel here. In fact, Felt is such a cool company. They've agreed to a full-time deal where I can take a certain number of days out of every month to focus primarily on my own channel. And I still have 100% editorial control. I can create videos on whatever I want to create. And that's going to be geo layers and Adobe After Effects and Blender, QGIS, whatever I want, which is very, very, very exciting. So it's just going to be map making all the time, which is crazy fun. In fact, I just released my first tutorial on the Felt channel, so I implore you, please go check it out. I recreated a World War II map using three main features inside of Felt. And actually, I'm going to be doing the same type of tutorial this Monday on my own channel. I'm creating like the animated version. So I'm using Felt to create some of the visuals, and then I bring them over into geo layers and create a little map animation. It's a lot of fun. I absolutely love this old World War II battle map kind of content. It's so exciting. And you know, it's my job now. I have to tell you, if you like mapping, if you like what I'm doing on this channel, please go check out the Felt YouTube channel and subscribe to that channel. Click on that notification bell because I'm going to be putting out quite a bit of content. We have a series called Friday Features, where every other Friday we talk about a feature in Felt, and I'm going to be pitching a couple of other different series that hopefully will get going on the channel. And it's going to be all very cool cartography, GIS related stuff. And I'm very, very excited for this moving forward because it's only going to make this channel better. And it's just, I don't know what else to say. It's super exciting. And I think that's it. Pretty much it. Yeah, go check out that video, please. Go check it out. I want the Felt team to think I am a god. So go and hit the thumbs up button, comment, share it with your friends. I'm not used to doing these update videos. All right, well, have a good one. See you in the next one.